Mike Hughes here, and I'm at Cozumel Palace and with Aqua Safari Dive Center, and I'm here with Jenny. And Jenny, you want to tell us a little bit about the operation and the resort?
Sure. So we are Cozumel Palace. We're an all-inclusive resort. We have 169 rooms, and we're right in town in San Miguel on the island of Cozumel. You can fly directly into Cozumel, or you can fly into Cancun, go down to Playa del Carmen and take the ferry across, and we're just 12 blocks south of the ferry pier. Cool. In Cozumel. All our rooms are oceanfront, either with ocean view or full oceanfront views. They're all junior suites, and as I mentioned, all-inclusive, so all your food and beverages are included.
Right.
Aqua Safari is our in-house dive operator. They pick you up right at the pier. We have dive lockers and to go scuba diving.
How many boats do you operate with?
We have 3 boats right now, and we have 2 new ones on order that we should have the beginning of next year in 2023.
Okay, cool. So you heard it first here, right? Okay, and then this is one of them right here, Ocean 3.
Correct. Ocean 1, 2, and 3. Very creative names.
Yeah, complicated. Okay, and some of the fish you'll see, divers underwater, having a good time. And you're going to go to, I don't know, around the San Francisco Reef and some others close by in the park.
Tormentos, Santa Rosa Wall, yes, Gardens, Bricks, all the dive sites.
Cool. And if they want more information about either the hotel or Safari Divers they would go to? They
can either go to aquasafari.com, CozumelPalace.com, or Palace Resorts.
Just put a .com on the back
of it and it'll pull up, or Google search it.
Oh yeah, that too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.